think we're good. Huge pile of crap in the middle of the town. I got some of it out, so it's not there for us. No, he's right there.
Okay. We're just gonna squeeze along the line.
Hey, wait, hang on, I'm getting
Chip buttering is awesome. Well, tips to the tips to the
I thought it was him. I thought that was the guy that stole my shovel. It's me! That's not the shovel I gave you.
Alex! Sorry. Alex!
Alex!
Do you want those pulled yet or not?
Yeah, go for it. Whichever ones you can get to.
Oh, I can get to them.
Okay. I mean, I've got slippers coming in, so I can have them pull them as well. I don't really care.
I'll get them.
Okay. Yeah, you can pull. Don't pull the ones that pick 5 yet, though.
let's not take any of this.
Yep.
We're gonna slide in and we're gonna do a fall line slip right through this.
Okay.
See the piles right there?
Yep.
I don't want any of this taken down though.
Just after the dye line.
Yeah, so we're gonna slide them backwards and we'll come in.
Got it.
Okay. You guys got that? We're just gonna butter this out right here. We're gonna cut across to 3B and get low line over there.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, how are you?
You can take it if you want it. Not coming back out.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You betcha. Oh, are these broken ones or?
No, they were
They're
blocking turns and blocking patches.
Oh, okay.
This one's broken though.
Yeah, grab these and grab a couple ones. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
You betcha. You got it.
Let's
Okay.
And I'll try to have some guys maybe tomorrow or I don't know when.
Cool. Down in the hole.
Yeah.
go.
If you could just cross over and do left foot, but we're kind of low there,
Yeah.
kind of there, but you lose speed, so
Yeah.
he's going down to just fuck it up.
I'll,
you guys
I'll
can
butter,
go way
butter
back.
that out a little bit.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you. Appreciate you so much. Ah. Jenna Bowman, top of Golden Eagle.
Good morning, Bowman. If you come down, steers right, die line, fan out towards the net, maybe like 4 or 5 meters, and you can take all this stuff out and we're shoveling right now.
Copy's gonna step back, we'll swing through. Alright, so we're just gonna do a flying wedge, and I'll take die line, you go next one, and we'll just bump out. Okay, so we'll go about 5 or 6 meters. Get out of the way and I'll hit it.
Most of them can follow directions.
This one.